Hello Aquarians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you and the person you are dealing with. So on one side will be your energies, on other side the energies of the person you are dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. And please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation, according to your story. Okay, so let's get started Aquarians. Let's see what's there on your side. Okay, we have the Temperance on your side. See what's there on your person's side. Okay, we have the King of Cups on your person's side. Outcome, most likely outcome. Okay, Four of Pentacles as the most likely outcome. So here with the Temperance, you're trying to balance something or trying to make up your mind over something. That's what I got. Here with the King of Cups, somebody here is very emotionally mature, wise, but I don't think this person is opening up much. They are very, very emotionally controlled. And here with the Four of Pentacles, both of you are holding the cards to yourself, I think, because it's mutual, can be one of you. But yes, nobody is opening up, not investing, you or the other person, or maybe both of you. So let's see what is Temperance there on your side. Oh, this Five of Swords is very active today. So we have the Five of Swords, oh, the Nine of Swords, and the Queen of Cups. Okay. So let's see what's there on your person's side. So what is this King of Cups here for? Seven of Cups, the Death and Rebirth, and the High Priestess. Let's see why this Four of Pentacles here as the most likely outcome. The Eight of Swords, the Emperor, sorry, the King of Pentacles, and the Knight of Swords. The Five of Wands. So here, as I said, you are trying to make up your mind and balancing yourself, perhaps trying to take a decision. Whatever it is you are doing, it is because with the Five of Swords, the Nine of Swords, and the Queen of Cups, the energy which I am getting here with the Queen of Cups is that because of this Five of Swords and the Nine of Swords, the energy is I'm fed up of it, I've had enough of it. That's what I'm getting. You are not ready to invest because you've had a tough past. Nine of Swords, Five of Swords, you're fed up, you've had enough of it, you don't want to deal with it anymore. So I've had enough of it, I want to focus on myself. That's what is your energy, Aquarians. That's what I'm getting. I've had enough of it, I've dealt with enough of it, I don't want any more. I'm happy alone, I've done with it. So it may not necessarily be about this person. This is your energy in general. That's what I'm feeling. In life, you have dealt with enough of heartbreaks, enough of anxiety, enough of tensions in your life regarding perhaps the relationships or whatever, but you are not ready to invest. You want, I've had enough of it is the only word I'm getting. I have had enough of it, I want to focus on myself. That's what I want to do, is your energy. Okay, so you're not opening up. That's what I said. You're trying to make up your mind, and you are not opening up, as I said. Here also King of Cups, as I said, this person is also emotionally mature, not opening up. You're also trying to make up your mind, so obviously you're not opening up. And here with the Four of Pentacles, as I said, nobody's opening up, holding the cards close to yourself. Let's see, here with the King of Cups, this person, we have Seven of Cups, the Death and Rebirth, and the High Priestess. Okay, This person, again, I'm getting there, they have many things, they have many options perhaps. That is why they don't feel the need to open up fully. Okay, so their emotions are very, very channelized, and they show only the amount, or the amount of feelings they want to show. And this is perhaps, they can be confused, they maybe they are also confused, or they have many options. Okay, maybe they are indecisive, but whatever it is, because of this nature of theirs being indecisive, or they have many options, whatever it is, or they are confused, whatever it is, that is why they are not also opening up completely. And here with the death and rebirth card followed by the high priestess, maybe they are also having a hard time making up their mind, I'm getting. Yeah, because with the death and rebirth and the high priestess, they are also, with the high priestess, they are being very, very intuitive, not acting much, being in touch with their intuition. They are also having a hard time making up their mind, they're confused, that's what I am getting. They really don't know what to do. Though it is a transition in their life, this confusion will end. Whatever they are trying to make up their mind on, or being, now I'm not getting, if they have options also, then they are trying to make up their mind on one. Okay, and this thing will end, but it will take time. This thing will end, this indecisiveness or confusion will end, but it will take time. With the death and the rebirth card and with the high priestess, they are trying to being in touch with their own intuition, they are, but it's been, maybe this is the reason that you are fed up with it. It can be this also. Yeah, maybe that is why you have that energy that I'm done with it, because this person is perhaps not making up their mind, it's been quite long. Because with the high priestess and the death, though they are trying to, it is a transition in themselves, but they are taking a long time, they're not acting, basically they're not taking any action. And maybe that is why with the 5 of swords and the 9 of swords, you're just fed up with this, and maybe it's them only. With the Queen of Cups, you are just, okay, I'm done, I can't take it anymore, I just want to focus on myself. And as the clarifiers for the 4 of Pentacles, we have the 8 of Swords, the King of Pentacles, the Knight of Swords, and I just wanted to see something, some more message, but again I got the 5 of Wands. So here there is a lot of conflict, lot of inner fear, lot of being held up in the past, maybe arguments between both of you, trying to make it happen, but you're not able to. Maybe you're not able to communicate clearly with each other as to what you actually want to say and convince the other person, perhaps. So it's becoming a hard task, because with the 8 of Swords, both of you are too much held up in the negativities. It's become a struggle now. And with the Knight of Swords and the King of Pentacles, what I feel is this person, you're just running away, being guarded, running away. The only thing is everyone wants to be alone here. Both of you seem to be happy alone now. That's what it is. You are happy to be alone. You, them, or perhaps both of you. Yeah, it's becoming a struggle. You are not able to either communicate to each other whatever you feel, or for whatever reason they are not making up their mind. Things are becoming heavy and it's becoming a struggle. And the King of Pentacles, somebody seems it's good to be alone, it's happy to be alone. That is what is the vibe I'm getting from the Queen of Cups also. And High Priestess also, nobody's investing here, just being inactive, trying to just figure out things. This person is trying to figure out things, but they're not able to actually. The guidance is listen with your heart. You are listening, but need to hear with a loving heart. Number 1 may be of some significance for you. So that's what you are not able to communicate perhaps to each other properly, because both of you are perhaps not able to make a decision. So you just need to listen to your heart. That's what I feel. Or listen to each other in a positive aspect, because when you communicate, it becomes a struggle. You're not able to communicate properly. That's what I said. So maybe you are being too practical, or whatever you are doing, you need to communicate effectively, and the other person needs to listen effectively to understand what is actually happening and what both of you want. Maybe you're not able to communicate whatever your expectations are from each other. It can be that also. So that's all I have for you, Aquarians. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's meet in the next video. Bye.